Hey viewers, what's up here? This is sajidz and you guys watching Sajid's Take. In this video, I'm going to talking with about how you can use multiple WhatsApp in your Android mobile phone at a time. Nowadays, whenever you install the WhatsApp, that time you need to just log in your WhatsApp, and by that way you can one WhatsApp by your one number. But whenever you are going to use the dual SIM, and that time you can now use the multiple WhatsApp by your both two SIM in your Android mobile phone. So what's that trick? To know about that, you need to watch this video till to the end. Before just starting my that video, I request you, if you are not still not a subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start my that video with you guys. Okay guys, to do this here, first of all you need to install an app in your Android mobile phone, and I'll give you that app link in the description below. So from here, go to the Google Play Store, and from here you need to go to on the dual space light. So here the app I just suggest you, then here from you need to just install that app in your Android mobile phone, and after that you need to open up it there from here or from the mobile phone. So from here, now go to in the WhatsApp, and here it is guys, it's opening already. My WhatsApp is there, but here you will get some ad there, but you need to just off those ads. Now click on the agree and continue, and here you need to give the number of your that specific WhatsApp, and I just give my phone number and verify, and we will come back after that. And here it is guys, you can see that I have already verified my this number. Now click on the restore, and here you will get a notification that Google Play service is not available there, you need to install it. So from here you can also do this. So here they just say that we are unable to restore any your message history backup there. So from here just click on the OK, go to the next from here, and give the name of that specific number. From here I just give the name, go to the next, and here click on the allow, and here it is guys, you can see that everything is just take it on there, and from here you can now use the multiple WhatsApp from here. So here it is guys, this is the one number of my here, this is the name of the sajidz, and here you will get another WhatsApp is there. So here from I just go to on that, and from here you can see that another thing is that. But from here you can also change the name of here too. So I just go to here, and I just show you that how you can change. So I just change it this save, and here it is guys, it's everything is okay. Now whenever go to there, it's the sajidz, and here it is guys, it's the sajidz Yasin. So here from you can also make it the theme dark or the light as you wish. So here from by that way you can now also use this method to use multiple WhatsApp in your Android mobile phone. So guys, what's about the trick? Do you like that, and is it make your working too much effective? That time I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends guys, and so on. So no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.